YouTube thumbnail is key. It lets viewers know if they should click on your videos or not, along with 2 important factors as well, but that is for a later video this week. Today I'm going to show you step by step with just one step skip how to create your YouTube thumbnails, and we're starting right after this. Ask Janay with the new Power Talk, teaching new YouTubers how to grow their channel and how to create the life that you are destined for. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and have the bell notification turned on when I post new videos every day this week. Hey Lady 8, today I'm doing one of my 5 video blitz for this whole entire week. So expect to see new videos every day of this week. And today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to customize your thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Step by step with just one small step skip, but it's not a big deal. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. Did also mention that these thumbnails is going to show you exactly how you can do that for absolutely free. You don't need for Photoshop, no need for no expertise, no need for all that hundreds of dollars that you will need to do this. So again, let's go ahead and get right onto it. So step number 1 is make sure that you're going to take your photos. Step number 2, you want to make sure that you have Canva installed on either your computer or your phone, and you can have this app for absolutely 100% free. All you just need is your google.com email address, and you can use that to log in. So I already have it installed on my phone, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create your thumbnail from your phone. So once you have your Canva app downloaded on your phone, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the Canva. And as you can see, this is my home screen, all my designs that I use on Canva. And technology just works when it wants to. But what you want to do is hit on the create design, and at the dot that's by the search bar, which is the 3 dots, you want to click on that. And you want to do your custom designs for YouTube, which is 1920 by 1080. And look at this lag. Just lagging. There we go. And then a new screen will open up, and what you want to do is this step, as I mentioned earlier, that I had skipped, was pretty much inserting a photo that I erased the background, because as you can see, the background, the photo that I select is you can still see the white background that we're going to be working on. So if you want to get access to this video, I got this information from Dee, who's another YouTuber. I have his video linked in the cards where you can actually learn how to erase your background, because I'm not a professional at it. Because as you can see, I got it kind of like my arm and my sleeve kind of erased out, but I'm going to move that over off to the edge of the canvas and just keep working around that. But once I find like my good area where I want to do, I'm going to add my text, and my text is going to be YouTube thumbnails, just something just to come off the dome. And as you can still see here, we're still kind of lagging a little bit. Technology is just great when it works. It's just, we just have to keep winging it and keep moving at it until, we get there. But what you want to do is just go ahead and move the text over a little bit, enlarge it, get it to however you're liking. And as you can wait for this, there we go. Here we go. We're catching up. But you want to just go ahead and just edit to get the text. You want to enlarge the text, and then you want to up the text numbers and size and to your liking. I want to make sure that I keep everything on the same line. And I'm just going to move it on over above out of my hand, and I'm going to pretty much change that color as well as far as the font, whichever, that's close to your brand. Canva has a whole bunch of different fonts that's in here, so I'm just going to choose one, and that's the one that I'm going to choose. And then I'm also going to go ahead and change that color as I mentioned earlier as well. So whatever your brand color is, you can go ahead and change it. And you can, as you can see, those numbers that are constantly changing to the hue number, you can enter your brand color number in there if you want to get your actual brand colors in there for absolutely 100 free without having to pay for it. And as you can see, I'm playing with the all caps of the letters as well. So I'm going to use my caps to be all caps, and I'm going to change down the sides, and you can have it centered to the right, left, or center. I like my text to be centered. And then show you another cool tip is you can either, have it to be bold, italics, however you want to play with it. I'm going to leave it on bold, and I'm also going to copy this text so I can kind of have like a little double effect that's kind of like grabbing your attention. So once I copy that, I'm going to change the color of the second text over to red. And then I'm going to kind of like layer it on top of that, the first word, YouTube thumbnails. And then once I layer, I'm going to move that red text to the back. Or you can leave it in the front, however you want to do it. But I'm going to move it to the back and just kind of give it like that Christmas feel, YouTube thumbnails, being festive here. As I mentioned again, you can see my shoulder and my arms kind of like cut off a little bit. So I'm just moving it over to the side. I'm just letting you know I'm not a professional when it comes down to erasing the background. I'm just now learning how to do this. But again, in the card sections, I'm going to have a video link to Dee's video on how to erase your background. And you can get the absolute free apps to do that. You don't need Photoshop. All of these apps are 100% free for mobile users. And I'm going to add another text, and I'm going to say no Photoshop and mobile friendly. And yes, I know I spelled mobile incorrectly, but I was just trying to get this video out to you all and just get everything going. But, mobile, M-O-B-I-L-E, not M-O-B-L-I-E. M-O-B-I-L-E. So mobile friendly, and I'm going to reduce that size as well. I'm going to move it over, and I'm just going to continue to keep playing with it. And as you can see, it keeps freezing on me for some reason. It's not keeping up with my pace of speaking, but I'm going to change all the font colors over to my brand colors. I have the purchase brand because I get tired of going back and forth and copy and pasting all the different numbers for my brand colors. So just to quickly speed up that process, I went ahead and purchased it, but you don't have to do that. I'm just trying to be quick and to the point and just outsource my time, so it just speeds up my process for me. But I'm trying to layer it again so you can see my brand colors, and I'm going to leave it exactly like that. And later on, you're going to see me also change the Photoshop mobile friendly over to black. And just playing with the device, and not the device, just playing with the app, just playing with the centering and the alignment of everything that's on here. It's nothing absolutely you can do wrong on here. It's just all about capturing your viewers' attention when they're researching on YouTube to get their information, their knowledge. And as you can see, I changed the font for no Photoshop's mobile friendly to black. And after that, once I'm satisfied with everything that I like, I'm going to go ahead and save this thumbnail to my phone, and I'm going to upload it over to YouTube. And there you pretty much have it, how to create your thumbnail. So absolutely 100% free. No need for Photoshop. No need for all these expensive dollars and all that good stuff. Just uploaded it, and there you have it.